So it's 17 steps up to the top floor. And once you get up here, this is your aspect to the left and around to the right. The kitchen has all the windows open today, but you can keep them closed. The house is fully air conditioned. Not a bad view to wake up to in Miallo. And just the sound of the birds. The kids' playground that we looked at earlier is down there. I'm just gonna have a sneak peek in through the kitchen window. Lovely big pantry, size for a double fridge. Gas stove, electric oven, room for your microwave, stone bench tops. Beautiful exposed beams. Let's head on into the great room. Now, whilst this property is empty at the moment, it does fit plenty of furniture, dining, lounge. Again, fully air conditioned, raked ceiling, skylights. Let's see. From one end to the other. Just going to take you through to the master bedroom. Beautiful size room with a Juliet balcony. Again, fully screened, fully air conditioned. This is your aspect from the balcony. You can see top floor balcony, lower floor balcony, and we're on the Juliet balcony. There's a little study nook or office in this part of the master bedroom. Fantastic if you're working from home and you've got kids running around, you can lock yourself up in here. Walk-in robe, ample space for his and hers, and through to the ensuite. Back through the lounge dining. This black tape indicates the wires that come up so that you can have surround sound. You've also got speakers on your balconies upstairs and downstairs. Got more linen cupboard here. There's no lack of storage in this property. This is the main bathroom. There's the infamous laundry chute, which will take your dirty clothes right down to the laundry. Nice tub. Vanity. So 3 bathrooms in total at this property. Another 2 bedrooms here. Again, fully air-conned, everything is done, ready to move in. Built-in robes, beautiful flooring. And this room is quite spacious. There was at one stage 2 single beds in here, but you could easily fit a king-size bed in here. So you could effectively have 2 primary bedrooms. Great air cons, blinds, built-in robes. Look at that view. Imagine washing up out to that. It's hard to appreciate it when you're on a camera. I think that's a horse down there. Oh no, it's a large dog. Through to the walk-in pantry. Again, ample storage and ventilation. 53 Whiteley Road is ready for you to move on in. We're taking this property to auction, and any questions, please call Ray White, Port Douglas. Thank you.